semolina milk balls or Rava Laddus, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the semolina recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes and one of the most nutritious of the dessert recipes and one of the most different of the evening snacks recipes. Today we are going to make semolina milk balls. The ingredients are around 150 grams of semolina, the next ingredients are "25 grams of raisins, 2 to 3 cardamom pods and half a cup of sugar. Heat the pan, pour in 25 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Spread it in the pan while it melts. Now put in the raisins. Salt till the raisins puff. Keep on salting. Salt till the raisins puff up. Once the raisins have puffed up, take off the pan. And onto the plate. Now put in the cardamom pods which we have broken and salt that. Salt thoroughly. Put in the semolina, salt the semolina with the cardamom and roast. Until it becomes slightly yellow. saute. Sort and mix the semolina with the cardamom and the ghee. First roast it. Now pour in 200 degrees vanilla milk. Mix the semolina and the milk together. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in mix thoroughly. And keep on mixing. Thoroughly sort and mix for around 3 to 4 minutes. Keep on mixing. Now the semolina milk mixture is ready. This can be used to make the balls further. Let the mixture cool down. Now, after the mixture has cooled down, take a small portion from the dough, roll it between the hands, first to make a ball. Now make a depression in the bowl, put in the raisin and smoothen it and roll it back into a ball shape. Make the next dough into a ball. Now make a depression, put in the raisin and roll it further to make a ball. Do this with the rest of the mixture. This is the final semolina milk balls, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the sweets recipes and one of the most different of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the semolina recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most nutritious of the oil-free recipes and one of the most different of the milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.